Hey, hello, you guys. Welcome to today's lead code stream. So, I'm taking a break from the JavaScript stream for some time, and because I have a lot of work from my internship, and like one of my friends said that who watches my all of my streams, he said that it's better that I if I for the JavaScript stream, if I do it, I do it properly, and for each and every video he felt that the last two videos were not that uh, like well done. So he was like if you want to take some time off, if you don't feel like streaming that day, then it's okay, then just don't stream, or not do not do it for like from maintaining regularity though. So I thought like, yeah, but lead code is easy, and does not take that much time as it takes, and not take that much energy also that it takes for doing that JavaScript stream. So I thought continuing this was fine, but today I also have a lot of stuff to do. But yeah, so we'll quickly go and let's see what question do we have today. The daily problem, we'll mostly solve the daily problem, and if not, then we might take, if like I have some time and anything, then we'll take more. Okay, so today we have an easy one, and I was hoping for an easy one because I need some time. I have in my internship, I have to deploy something, and we have to finish it very quickly. Um, Given an integer array nums sorted in a non-decreasing order, remove the duplicates in place such that each unique element appears only once. The relative order of elements should be kept the same. Since it's impossible to change the length of an array in some languages, you okay. So what we have to do basically, uh, like they have given um, array nums sorted in a non-decreasing order, and we have to remove the duplicates in place, so we can't I guess use extra space, uh, so that unique one appear only once, and the relative order of the element should be the same. Yeah, so they should be sorted after the removal. And since it's impossible to change the length of an array if in some language, you must instead have a result be placed in the first part of the array nums. So in the first part we must have the result. More formally, if there are k elements after removing the duplicate, then the first k element should be num and should hold the final result. It does not matter what you leave beyond the first k elements, okay, and return k after placing the final result in the first k slots of numbers. Do not allocate extra space for another array. You must do this by modifying the uh, actually I'm somewhat called the like very good at two pointer approach, and I while seeing this I can see it's kind of a two pointer question. It just feels like we should uh, feels like a two pointer. Let's just see what's this. But the judge should test your solution. Okay, so it seems like a two pointer. 1 2, and yeah, uh, yeah, hmm. Yeah, it seems like a two pointer. So what should we do? How should we go? So let's create a variable int j is equals to 1. So what I'm planning is, actually explaining it on Excalibur also is very beneficial for me because I get to make diagrams and which in fact helps me. I guess I should delete this. Yep. Okay, so what are we doing? Remove duplicates from a sorted array. I guess let's say this is the array and bruh. Let's take the first example itself. So 1 1 and 2. Cool. So we can start from here, like keep a pointer here. So okay, and next thing that we can do is keep another pointer here. Now if this is equal to this, then we'll move this pointer ahead, and now like for example, let's say we focus on this pointer. Okay, so let's name these. Let's name it J, and let's name this one I. So if array of I minus 1 is equals to array of I, then we'll move this. But if it is not, so array of I minus 1 is not equals to array of I, then we'll make this as 2. We'll make this like array of I minus 1, like array of J will become array of I. So yeah, so let me just write it. For n I is equals to 1, I smaller than n, and then is equals to nums dot size I plus plus. So if nums of I is equals to nums of I minus 1, should I take J? No, it should be I minus 1 only, because we are taking in adjacent. So if it is equal, then what we do, we just do J plus plus. Should we do J plus plus? No, if it's equal then nothing, and if it's not equal then nums of J plus plus is equals to nums of I, and we have to return J, I guess, integer. Should work. Yep, it works. Let's see for other test cases. Yep, it works. So let's take this bigger example. um, as I told, I'm really good at two pointer approach. This is the thing that I know in uh, when Amazon came to my college, they had a question on two pointer approach, and I was able to solve that whole online assessment round in just 15 minutes. But we have my college has a lot of students, so then I think there must be some CGPA cutoff or something after that. But yeah, so uh, and one of them was a two pointer question. So like that I did that in like 5 to 6 minutes. So I'm very good at two pointer actually, and this one is a very easy one. So that's also a case where so let me just explain you once and we'll end this. 0 1 1 1 0 0 J I 1 1 1 1 and 2 2 3 3 4. Cool. uh 2 3 3 and 4. Cool. So like at the like we are running a for loop. So every time after every round I will move further. So first it checks that if like nums of I not equals to nums of j, and it does not go in this case. So it does not go in this case, and thus I moves forward. Okay, so now it checks if nums of I is equals to nums of not is equals to nums of I minus 1, and it is true. So now this will become 1 and j will move forward. Now these both and now at the end I will also move forward. Now as these both are equal, I will move forward. Now as these both are equal, I will move forward. As like these both are not equal, then it will go inside this block of code, and thus j will become nums of j will become like 2, and j will move forward. uh, you can see I'm doing j plus plus. So first time and if when I can write this as like it's the same as so these both code are same. I prefer to write it this, it looks more concise to me. So first nums of j will be made equals to nums of I, and then j will increment. And now okay, so now Huh. So now I will move forward after this when this round is over. Now, as these both are equal, nothing will happen. I will move forward, and as these two are different, this will become 3, and J will move forward, and I will move forward. As these both are equal, then I will move forward, and as these both are different, then uh, J will become 4 nums of J, and J will move forward. And yeah, so they are asking the total number, so 1 2 3 4 5, and because this is zero based indexing, so 5 index 5 will be J. uh, the if like they had asked the last index, then I would have written J minus 1. So which I was while submitting, like I was like, have I made a submission? Okay, actually, I have some. Basically, I have got a new laptop, so I have like all my lead code previous questions, as lead code saves in local storage. All my previous questions are gone, like all solutions. So I'm not like I'm unaware that which questions I have solved and which I haven't, and like so. Okay, so it's actually good for streaming purpose, because then I can start my plate clean, and like I can go to the maximum questions I could. So this is how it works. What solution did I write last time? When is this? It's in. I wasn't that good, I guess. Let's see what solution I wrote. Uh, for size, if there is no size, return 0. Okay. Okay. This is like this is a very hacky solution. It's non-optimized. Like I'm using, like in this code I'm using time complexity of n cross n. I'm like, no, sorry. Time cross complexity, time complexity of n, but here I'm using time complexity of n log n, and um, and it's actually very non-optimized, but yes, it works, because I'm actually fascinated by seeing how much I have come far. But yeah, it's cool. uh, I used to write something like this. uh, I used to like make it work in any possible way. I would like attach one block here, one block there. Like you can see, runtime error, runtime error, compilation error, accepted. Did I write something else also? No, it's the same code, but I don't know how it's so much faster than this solution, because the time complexity um, is actually better for this. Let's submit it once again, because we saw that. Yeah. Bro, I don't know how it's much slower, but ideally this code should be faster than this one. And like you will be expected to write a code like this, not like this. Hmm. It's actually very nostalgic when I look back there. um, I guess that's it. We'll continue with the JavaScript. I just need some time where I can work on my internship stuff, because that's my first priority, and obviously, so um, I'm a bit. Yes, started the stream. Sometimes you don't see that. Like obviously, it needs a reload, but when you can't see it, it's actually like very scary. That, oh my god, I haven't. Did I actually even start the stream or not? Because doing it a second time is no fun, and obviously then it wouldn't actually be the purpose of this video also, because intuition is the my uh, way of the difference that I bring, not like giving you the answer, because like if you want the answer itself, then I guess there are so many answers. If you go to, like, if you want in C++, though I think if anybody, yeah, so see, they are doing something different, but yeah, similar. Two pointer approach only for x in nums. It's a very unreadable code. uh, Actually, a better code. Hmm. So yeah. Oh, yeah. For x in nums, if pos is equals to 0, then nums of pos plus plus is equals to x. Cool. Else x greater than, okay, it's actually very clever. It's actually very clever what they are doing. um because they are taking in the like benefit that it's a sorted array, and I think this solution might, like, it will save space complexity. uh, it won't save time as much, but it will definitely save space, and that's also very much required. Let's see now. This is an interesting solution. How much does it take? And it gives a compiler. Okay, they have written it very poorly. Like the brackets are very off, and it saves space. See, like not a lot, but it does. Let's try it once again. Let's see. It doesn't. It's not very fast. It doesn't. Yeah, ideally it should save some space because it has one variable less. But yeah, it's not actually very fast. What a shame. Cool. I'll revert back to my version. Answer, I guess. That's it for today. Thank you guys for joining. And I'll see you tomorrow probably.